Hola. What are we doing, Alex?
So we just got home to Greensboro from Virginia Beach from Christmas. We spent the night and then we woke up this morning and realized it's 70 degrees, so we decided to go camping for 2 nights. Where are we going?
We're going to Uwharrie, I think that's how you say it, National Forest, about an hour south of Greensboro. I don't think either one of us have ever been there before, so it should be fun.
We have our tent set up, and we're gonna find a more secluded spot tomorrow when the sun is up and not against us. But we'll be camping here tonight.
We got our campsite all set up. I'm gonna start a fire and make some dinner. First I gotta season the steak.
Hey Will, what's the next tool we're gonna buy?
A hatchet.
It's a work in progress. Hi, Joe. Hello.
Big old granddad is on there.
If I were you, I would do another leaf bundle with that paper towel. Gives us time to have our steak to room temp, so it's perfect.
Outdoor temp.
Oh, correct. Outdoor temp. Instead of this video being about cooking steak and potatoes and green beans, it should just be like making a fire with dry wood in the woods.
Wet wood.
You look cool.
Yeah.
What's that in the woods? More butter?
Why not?
We did it. We're cooking.
I've only burned myself twice.
Nice. Just butter. Does this make me a domestic housewife?
Make sure you're a good camping partner.
Oh, darn. Darn.
Ooh. What's up, family? It rained last night. It's not super wet, but it's a little wet. Looks like it's going to rain some more today. Trying to figure out if we're going to another camp or if we're going to go home. Definitely don't like camping in the rain.
So it rained last night, which was kind of relaxing until I thought about the campsite. It was like, oh, rain. So we're packing up and we're going to go on a hike this morning and figure out if we want to camp again tonight or somewhere else or what.
You look pretty.
I'm in need of some coffee.
Ditto.
Oh, that looks better than I would already do. Oh my god, brilliant. That would have been a hot mess. I didn't even know it could get that small. Because in the bag, it's so much bigger. I'm just not good at that stuff.
Perfect.
So this is the tarp that sits under our tent in case it rains, so then our tent doesn't get so wet and muddy. go swimming?
I wouldn't.
We did pack our bathing suits even though you said we wouldn't need them. You look handsome. Sweaty, but handsome. 1 more mile and our little 4-mile hike. We were just like hiking along the lake just to see the lake, but then I kind of got encouraged to keep going. It's really beautiful. I'm glad we did it. But we're like, what? Because we just like brought ourselves
What should we have brought?
water, not a cup of coffee from the gas station. But just wanted to keep going, and like once you've already gone a mile, it's hard to turn back. So it's a loop. I love loops because then I don't have to go back the way I came. This font is super cool. This would be a nice place to be buried.
I think these are some type of oyster mushroom. Could be totally wrong, but we're gonna take them back to camp, do some research.
It's definitely raining now, but we made it. Our little loop. We got mushrooms that we think are edible. So we're gonna go in the car and eat a pork sandwich real quick before we figure out what we're gonna do next, whether we stay here or go home. So we're gonna make some pork sandwiches. When I was in the bathroom, I realized I've got this like wonderful boob sweat going on, so cute. PSA, boobs do sweat. We got some bread Will hates. We've got some pork our friends brought to us the other night. Ugly dumplings, shout out.
Might be frozen from dry ice.
It might be frozen from dry ice. It's definitely frozen on the bottom. Cheese packets we got from grocery store, just mayo and mustard and hot sauce. Some people really hate mayo.
We love it.
We're not one of those people.
Frozen?
It's a little bit frozen, but
It's fine.
yeah. The stuff on top is not frozen.
Yeah.
So we saw in the forecast that there's some more rain coming. And since we don't really have our tent set up anymore, and since we broke it down last night, we're gonna head home because we didn't bring a rain jacket or really come prepared for rain at all.
And since we found these oyster mushrooms, we're gonna, well, hopefully oyster mushrooms, we're gonna take them home, do some more research on them, and if they are oysters, we're going to cook them.
So that will be fun and exciting, and we should clean our camping stuff anyways. because of the rain last night, everything's a little bit muddy. So next time we'll come a little bit more prepared.
And after that hike, we're super sweaty and muddy and dirty.
Which is totally fine. I mean,
yeah.
there's showers here, but it's vacation. Why do anything you don't want to do?
Exactly. So we're going to go home. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Could be.
All right.